Hi everyone. So today we are going to build HR KPI dashboard in Power BI, and for developing the HR KPI dashboard in Power BI, what I have done, I have prepared the data which is having employee ID, employee name, department, job label, then gender, age, hire date, month, attendance, rate, then overtime hours, productivity score, efficiency, then training hours, performance rating, and attritions, flags, salary, 10 months, and all that. Okay, this is what I have designed, and also I have designed one table for theme changes. Okay, so this I'll be using it. So let me copy this table first, and let's quickly head to Power BI, and what I'm going to do, enter data, and I'll make the table name as theme table. Okay, theme table. Let's put this value, and let's put the value load. So theme table is created now. See this, right? Now what I'm going to do, we'll apply that theme later, but first what I'm going to do here is that add the title of the dashboard first. So this would be a title. So title is HR KPI dashboard. Okay, HR KPI dashboard, HR KPI dashboard, right? Now let's change the format quickly. Let's make it 20 and bold, and then middle. Now what I'm going to do is that I have designed one image for HR team, so I'm going to insert that one. So this is my image. I'll open it and I'll put this here. Now I want to add this here, okay, below the title, so that it looks like this is the team. Okay, perfect team, HR KPI dashboard. Okay, and then we will be adding some data here, left side and right side, so we can expand more if you want. Okay, we can expand more. This much is okay. So HR KPI dashboard, and this is the team. Now I want to add KPI cards. Okay, so KPI cards would be total employees. Okay, total employees. So let me add the card here. Okay, now total employees would be, so I have written here total employees, and change the title. Let me do the formatting quickly. Category level, make it off. Let's go to general, title, and total employees, total employees. Now let's make it this way, and bold. This is okay, make it middle. Right now I'm not doing any formatting changes. Now I want to add here, now let's quickly add the theme, and let's see that how the visuals are reflecting. So what I'm going to do, insert, then shape this, and let's put this here, add the shape to view, and then format, send it to back, then add here slicer, and on this slicer what I'll do here is that I'll select the theme, but before that let's select this shape, and then we have style. So let's go to FX button, then we have to select field value, then we have option as background. So theme table and then background. Okay, then click on OK. So this by default will be applied. Okay, now let's change this to quickly in this format, let's make it tile. Okay, and one selection. By default there will be one selected, so let's make it short. Okay, let's put this here. This here theme, switch theme. switch theme. Okay, now let's go to formatting, font. Okay, no problem, bold, and let's make it middle. Then now this much is done. So what I'm going to do is that, like, I want to apply general, and effect would be background off always. Now we have to change the color, right? White, right? So similarly it would be here also. So background off, then we have okay, then go to visual, call out values. This would be 20, and format would be this, color would be white, display units auto, then we have total employees title, color would be white. Done. Okay, so this is reflecting. Now if I go for dark blue, see, right, black, see, it is working, right? Now let's copy this. Okay, now we can do more formatting for this. Okay, so let's go to general, then we have effects, and we have visual, and we can select some colors. Okay, then we can say rounded corners. Okay, then we can say shadow. Let's take this one, and if I say inside, then done. If I go for black, then also it is working. Dark blue, it is also okay. Now let's copy and let's paste this here, and this would be iteration rate. Okay, total iteration rate. Then we can show one more, like here, let's make it short little bit, copy this one and paste it. Let's make it little bit short. Okay, total to attrition rate. Okay, let me change the title first. Attrition rate, and this is performance rate. Done. So we are showing the title, then we are showing, let's select this and make the background off. Okay, and the title color would be white now. Okay, let's add it to here. Now this is done, the first part is done. Now let's add line chart. Okay, so line chart, and here, so here we are showing month name and attendance rate. Okay, month wise attendance rate, right? So let's quickly change the format painter and put the values here. Okay, now we'll have to change the x-axis and y-axis values, like x-axis and y-axis values. So let's go to x-axis. Let's select our standard one. Let's make it 12. Then bold, color should be white. Okay, then we are going for title. So it is auto. This would be our standard one. This 12. Bold, color should be white. Then y-axis, we have the values in y-axis, so we are going for changing this, our standard one. Let's take it 12. Then bold, color should be white. Okay, then we have title, so let's select font and make it 12. Bold, color should be white, right? So now we can do more formattings, like we have the lines. Okay, so how you want to see solid, dash, and all that, joint type, like this linear or smooth, so we can select a smooth one, right? Color, how the color you want to see, this color is okay, or you want to change the color, so you can change the color. Shade area, we can make it a shade area on. Color also you can select it. Transparency 100 or 0, so you can select as per the requirement. Okay, data labels, okay, we have the data labels, so we can make it on. Okay, and title, we can go for values, so this is okay, color is okay, no problem, right? Now, and that's all. So if I see that data is reflecting correctly, average of attendance by month. Okay, attendance rate by month. Okay, let's change the title, attendance by month. Okay, so average attendance rate by month. Okay, now let's copy this visual and let's put this here. So here I want to show the data in matrix visual, and I want to remove this month. Okay, average. I want to add something else here. So I want to show the department here. We have the departments, and I want to show the productivity scores. Okay, productivity scores, right? So values, some of the productivity scores. So not some, we are going to show the average. Okay, now like department we are showing. So now let's quickly change the title first. Engagement by department. Okay, engagement by department. So this data we are showing. Now let's come to here and department. Okay, average, and a spark line, and we have HR data. So I want to select department, create. So this visual we are showing. Now come here, and then we have grid lines. Okay, layout and styles, so we can select the layouts and styles as per our requirement. If we go for alternating rows, no, I want to have this one only. Okay, vertical grid lines, you can say this. So now go for values. Okay, so values would be this 12, bold, text color would be white, background color would be the standard one. So background color I'm going to select from here. Okay, I'll put this here, right? Text color is white, and background color would be the same one. Okay, done. Now column headers, yes, go for column headers, and then we have to change the values. 12, let's make it 10 only. Done. Then text color is white, background color would be our standard one, this. Middle, done. Alignment middle, done. And column subtotals, yes, we have to change the column subtotals, like column total values. So this is selected. Text color would be white, background color would be our standard one, this. Okay, spark line, do we need to change anything? So we can change a line to column, and we can add color as this. Okay, so we are done with this, right? We are done with this. So we are showing the engagement by department and the productivity score, average of productivity score in a graph manner. So that's all. Okay, see this. Okay, Now what we are going to do is that we are going to add another visual, show the performance category, like performance category. So how to show the performance category, is it excellent or good? So that I want to show. Okay, so as I mentioned that I want to show the performance category by employee ID. So there I want to show the excellent or good data. So what I have done, performance category, I have created a new column, performance category, where I mentioned this performance rating greater than equal to 4 means excellent, or if it is greater than 3 then good, and or else what will happen that it would be the average. Okay, 1 or 2. So let's add a donut chart here, donut chart. Okay, let's do the formatting, format printer, this, and if I say let's add the data, performance category, and then I want to show the employee ID. So we have employee ID, count of employee ID. Sorry, this, then we have values, count of employee ID, right? Now you could see data is reflecting performance category. Okay, let's do the formatting. Let's do the formatting. So performance category, let me use this performance category. Done, performance category. Now what we have to do, let's go for visual, legends, style present. Let's change the style present as well if you want, default. Okay, text is this, so let it be 12. Okay, white. Done. Now let's go for title. Title is performance category, it is okay. Slicer, so all color is this, no problem. Then we have details label, so outside, and values are, this would be in this format. Let's make it 12 if I say, and bold, and it would be white, right? Now so all values are reflecting. So we are showing the performance category, where it is showing that it is excellent, good, or average, right? So this color you can choose the color formatting as well, but you could see this is the average, and this one is the good, and this is the excellent one. Now right now what I want to do is that I want to copy this visual and I want to paste it, and I want to show the department with salary. Okay, so I'll remove this. Now let's select department, and I want to select salary, and it should be in pie chart. Okay, so this data is reflecting, right? Now let's add the slicer. So slicer would be this side, I'll add it. Okay, and I want to add here, the first would be the department, definitely department. So how I want to show, we can show in this manner as well. Okay, let's copy this, format printer, put this here. Okay, now let's change the color formatting, slicer setting, vertical. Okay, selection, let's make it all as well. Okay, now slicer header, so it should be department. Done. Let's make it this, bold and white. Then values, so this would be this, white. Okay, now so it is reflecting. Now let's drag it to down, sales, so this is reflecting, right? So now let's add one more slicer. So copy and paste, and let's go down, and we can add here as job level and gender. Okay, so let's add gender. So gender is added, right? Let's do more formatting. Let's go down properly. This one, okay, this one also, this would go to this. Now a little bit drag it to down, this one also, and this is okay. And I'm going to lock this visual. Okay, so now view and lock the object. Okay, that's locked. Okay, so what we have done here is that if we understand this dashboard, so this is team of the dashboard, team of the HR, and we are showing the total employees, attrition rate and performance rate. Okay, now we have added the switch theme as well, like black and dark blue. Based on that, what now what else we are showing here? Attendance rate by month. Okay, like month wise, month Jan, Feb, March, April month, and what is the attendance rate we are showing here. Then we are showing the engagement by department, like department is there, so what is the productivity, what is the engagement, okay, of the employees, and what is their productivity we are showing. We are also showing the in a graph manner. There is a performance category by department, I can say by employee ID, by employee. So we can change the title, department category, performance category by employee. Okay, and then what else we are showing? Department wise salaries here. So like we have the departments like market, finance, HR, IT, marketing, operations, sales, and what is their salary. So we are showing. So now we have added the filters, slice in that department, then job level, then we have gender. So if I select this finance, so data is getting changed. See this, right? HR, so data is getting changed. IT, data is getting changed, right? So it is working fine. Now if I select all, then if I go for job level, like manager, so based on that data is getting changed. Based on that senior manager, data is getting changed. Job level 3. So if I select all, then if I say only female employee, so see this is the data, like finance team 83.55, and what is the attrition rate? So it is 0.61. Total employees 89. If I say male, so 93, attrition is 0.947. okay, if I say select all, so this is the data, okay, we are getting. So that's all about it, and you can that's all about it. You can change the visual as well. Okay, see this, it is looking good. Okay, so that's all about it. Thank you very much.